Alright, what we have here is a car audio amplifier aluminum extrusion. These were made for a company called Laser Industries, manufactured back in the 80s and 90s. This is the bottom plate which slides in and out. Circuit board would go in like this, and of course you can use them for any of your projects that you might have that you wanted a heatsink for. Your output devices would have hold downs here that you bolt it to the heatsink. This heatsink was designed to be very efficient. The heat dissipation area right here, transistors actually mounted there. The bottom plate, like I said, slides in. It's a pretty precision fit. If you want to put your nameplate, there's slots on either side. You can have these little nameplates made up at a sign shop or trophy shop, and then your end plates would bolt on like so, and you've got a completed product. This is a 4-inch wide heatsink. It's 8 inches in width and 2 inches in height. Also have that heatsink in a 7-inch length as well. Same end plates. Also comes with a bottom plate on that one. And we also have this in a 16-inch heatsink that you can make a pretty good size amplifier. Same thing, bottom plate, end plates. It's all go on like so. Got a finished amplifier. Click on the button down below on the link down below and go to laserindustries.com where you can purchase these.